Hey you guys, in today's video, I am actually on my lunch break from work, but I just wanted to sit down and film 30 facts about me since I have so many new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the love lately, and I'm so appreciative. Welcome to my channel, welcome to the fam. If I didn't get the comment back to you or you didn't comment, welcome here. Yeah, so before we get into this video, comment one fact about you, one or two. Just tell me about yourself down below in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the button down below if you are a new subscriber, as well as like this video if you like this video at any point in the video, and don't forget to turn the notification bell on down below. Let's just get right into it. My name is Micaylah and I'm 26 years old. My birthday is actually April 19th. I am a spring baby. I am from Orlando, Florida. I'm not about to put my actual location out, but I'm from the area of Orlando. It is hot down here. I am mixed with black and white. My dad is black, my mom is white, and then there's me. I currently work for hospice and I absolutely love it. I've almost been there 5 years. It'll be 5 years in August, so that's what I do full time, and this is just like, you know, part of the time. Hopefully I can switch them around, honestly, in the future. I have 5 pets. I have 2 dogs, a Shih Tzu and a Beagle Dachshund Chihuahua breed. Her name is Paris. The Shih Tzu is Alex. And then I have 3 reptiles, which one is missing at the moment and somewhere around my house, but he'll come out eventually. His name is Maven. He's a crested gecko. Then I have another crested gecko named Regal. Then I have a 8-year-old leopard gecko named Reptar. I am currently on a diet. If you go back like to last year's videos, last year's videos, you would see that I lost a lot of weight. I did. It's because I'm on keto. I am addicted to coffee, specifically Starbucks coffee. I have really bad allergies, which is why sometimes I have really dark circles, or I sound like blah or tired, or I look tired, or I'm just look fed up, because most of the time I'm on Benadryl. My favorite color is actually one that I feel like it's a weird color. It's gray. I love the color gray. I have really bad vision, and that's why sometimes when I'm like reading boxes, like packaging, it sounds like I can't read because I can't see it, honestly. And I can't wear my glasses in front of the ring light because of the fact that it will reflect really badly. I am very family oriented. I love my family. Family comes first, always. And I'm just happy that my family has taught me that. I was mute for 9.5 years of my life. The video is right here. I'm not going to go into too much depth with it because it's right here. But yes, I did not talk. Now look at me. I always gotta have my nails done. I'll list my nail tech down below, of course, if you're in this area. I don't like my hands without nails, so always gotta have my nails done. My favorite brand at the moment is caylah Cosmetics. If you know me, you already knew that. If not, it is. I have a full face almost of caylah Cosmetics right here. My skin type is oily combination skin with a little bit of cystic acne because I am on birth control. My style is like a comfort casual. Sometimes it'd be a little bit extra, but usually you'll see me in sneakers, leggings, and a crop top. My favorite sport is basketball. Grew up in a sports family, fell in love with basketball. My zodiac is Aries, and a Leo moon. Here's my birth chart right here. If you know anything about astrology, tell me about myself right here, please. Thank you. I know I'm a whole bunch of fire signs, but yeah, this one I had to put in here because it's kind of funny. I'm very scared of Santa Claus. Like, even like little statues make me feel uncomfortable. And I really like don't like worms. I have reptiles. I don't like worms. The squishy caterpillar earthworms. I don't like those. I usually be listening to the baby, Janae Aiko, or Kalani. My religious views are Christian, and I do want to suggest the Porch podcast for any of you that have the same religion as me, as well as Therapy as a Christian. I love those 2. I'll link them down below. I have 3 siblings. That's 6. I have 3 siblings. I am the oldest. Then I have 3 little cuties. Love y'all. I am very silly. I barely say anything serious. If you're around me on a day-to-day, I'm always cracking jokes, acting a fool, being spontaneous. I'm very silly. I'm an introvert, even though I'm kind of silly, but I'm an introvert and I don't have a lot of friends. I don't like to make friends. But I'm trying to get myself out of that. So if you want to be friends, follow me on Instagram. I have this really bad habit. I kind of don't like this quality about me, but then again, I do. I feed off of people energy. So if you come at me a certain way, I'm gonna come right back at you like that. But if you come at me like all nice and sweet, I'm gonna come right back at you like that as well. I have 7 tattoos, more to come. I'm like obsessed with abstract art, which is probably why I like marble so much. Marble everything. If y'all saw my room, which coming soon, but I really love abstract art because it's never gonna look the same as another piece. I am such a people pleaser, but I'm trying to learn in 2021 to say no. That is the hardest thing to do. Like, you just gotta say no, and it just gets really, really difficult. I did not go to college. I was blessed to be able to have a stable and good paying job 3 years out of high school. Like, I of course had to step my way up to it, but here I am. And plus I have like the content creation on the side, so it's like, I'm blessed. And I'm gonna put a video right here because I was really struggling, y'all. Like, I was struggling so bad. And I can say that I'm the happiest I've ever been. I don't feel stressed. I don't feel bothered. I don't worry too awful much. Like, of course, like, worry and like bad days come and go, but I'm not really depressed anymore. I don't really have too much anxiety problems no more. It comes and goes, but okay. And that was 30 facts about me. Again, I want to know about you guys, so leave comments down below about yourself. Yeah, I would love to learn about you guys and like actually build a relationship with you guys. I try to reply to all the comments I can. If you want to know more about me, you can follow me on Instagram and everything like that. I do have a personal Instagram, but you'll see posts if you follow me on Instagram from that Instagram. So it's like, you know, I act the same on my personal and my makeup. Don't feel like I need to hide anything from you guys. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video.